Sturdy design, made from high heat-resistant plastic, this cover is dishwasher safe and can even be placed underneath plates in the microwave, allowing you to safely take your meal out when it's time to eat. Easy storage. When not in use, this large plate and bowl cover can be collapsed for easy storage, keeping room in your cabinets for all your other kitchen tools, dishes, or gadgets. Perforated cover. A vented lid allows steam to release as your food is cooked, making for a safer and more economically friendly alternative to plastic wrap. Clean microwave. With this cover, you can be sure your microwave will stay clean, as the lid prevents your appliance from messy food splatters or spills, making for an all-around easier meal prep experience. Multiple uses. Think outside the box and use this microwave cover as a colander, allowing water to drain through the perforated holes and giving you a quick and easy way to rinse fresh produce, berries, veggies, and more. Dimensions. Care. Measures 12.46 x 3.5 h. To clean, wipe with a damp cloth and towel dry. This item is BPA-free, food-safe, and dishwasher-friendly. Top reviews from the United States. Built to last. Made durable, soft and made well. Got large size, glass plate and microwave fits perfect underneath it. Most days without cover bowl or plate to reheat takes 1 to 3 minutes. The silicone does it in 30 seconds to a minute. So gotta keep watch. Has adjustable expansion for fitting larger bowls and plates, or if you have heap full of things, keeps warm stuff warm if you sit it out. Hopefully won't need to replace, but even still doesn't warp. Haven't put it in a dishwasher, like to hand wash my items, but totally worth the time to take care of it.